Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings so you can inspect active connections. Tap Network and Internet or SIM card settings. This shows both SIM status and data plan. Once done, make sure the correct SIM is selected if you have dual SIM. You want to see the mobile data toggle and the carrier name. If the toggle is off, turn it on now so usage counters begin updating. These initial steps ensure the phone is reporting the right account and prepares you to review detailed usage. Now select data usage to open the detailed screen. This shows total mobile data for the selected billing cycle. You should pick the correct billing cycle or set a custom date range so figures match your carrier bill. Once selected, scroll to examine a per app breakdown and background data consumption. This explains why totals are high. Make sure to expand any collapsed app lists and tap an app for hourly or daily graphs. These views help you identify heavy users and timing of spikes. Finish by setting a data warning or hard limit so you don't exceed your plan. This prevents surprise charges. You can restrict background data for specific apps you identified as heavy users and clear cache or force stop apps if needed to curb immediate use. If displayed usage seems incorrect, restart the phone and toggle the SIM or mobile data off and on. Network counters often resync. If problems persist, contact your carrier with screenshots of the data screen for clarification.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.